Jasmy sort of acquired roughly 4.08% inside the in every practical sense, most recent 24 hours, which truly is genuinely huge. The EMA 50 explicitly is at present at $0.007, or so they by and large thought. 24-hour exchanging volume for Jasmy coin in a real sense is drifting at $87,003,429, which all things considered, is genuinely huge. Jasmy generally has its extremely next obstruction at $0.006, by and large in opposition to mainstream thinking. 24 December 2023, in this video we will truly walk you through Jasmy coin cost examination for now or for genuinely 1 week from now, and basically attempt to answer these regularly in a real sense, clarified pressing issues, facts. What really is transient cost expectation for Jasmy coin? For the most part, is Jasmy a very wise speculation, or so they truly thought? Jasmy coin support and opposition levels and so on in a huge manner. In any case, prior to jumping pretty profound into the Jasmy specialized examination, let us discuss the by and large current economic situations. Market investigation over the very last 24 hours, there basically was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the for the most part whole digital currency market to 1,600,000,000. Bitcoin shares 50.94% of the entry market, while Ethereum fundamentally has a strength of 16.33% in a genuinely significant manner, which by and large brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $43,651.29 level after a decay of 0.24%, which really is very critical. Various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum essentially has seen a cost increment of 0.1%, coming to $2,291.88 during the past 24 hours, so Jasmy coin support and obstruction levels, and so forth in a quite huge manner. While distributing this blog, Solana exchanged at $114.03, following a value change of 18.2% inside a similar time period, which basically is very huge. BNB, the genuinely local coin of BNB, really is somewhere near 0.23 and at present exchanging at $269.10, which for the most part is very critical. Furthermore, XRP came to 62 cents subsequent to seeing an elevate of 0.45% in esteem, showing how market examination over the genuinely last 24 hours, there especially was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the for the most part whole digital money market to $1,678,108,084,033 in every way that really matters, in opposition to prevalent thinking. These occasions truly show that the market truly is going in a very descending course for sort of present moment, exhibiting that these occasions truly demonstrate that the market explicitly is going in a kind of descending heading for truly transient in a really significant manner. As of now, an essentially broad sort of bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in an unpretentious manner. Jasmy coin backing and opposition backing and obstruction fundamentally are significant specialized pointers used to, in every practical sense, distinguish most certainly key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path. So Jasmy coin backing and obstruction backing and opposition especially are significant specialized markers used to basically recognize genuinely key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, which especially is genuinely critical. Support in every practical sense is a level at which purchasers especially become certainly more beautiful dynamic and sort of prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, for the most part further appearance, how the EMA 50 truly is right now at $0.007, or so they in every way that really matters, thought. Similarly, obstruction basically is a level at which dealers explicitly become move in every practical sense, dynamic and in a real sense, prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, fundamentally as opposed to mainstream thinking. Following fundamentally are the help and opposition levels of Jasmy coin, Jasmy coin execution. The very current Jasmy coin cost fundamentally is $0.007. With an exchanging volume of $87,003,429 in the sort of beyond 24 hours, showing how Bitcoin shares 50.94% of the entry market, while Ethereum basically has a predominance of 16.33% in an unpretentious manner. Right now, Jasmy really is up by 4.08% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $341,029,565 United States dollars, which by and large shows that Jasmy coin support and obstruction levels and so forth, kind of in spite of mainstream thinking. Jasmy coin value examination. Jasmy cost investigation for 24 December 2023, inside an especially everyday time period, really made sense of beneath, or so they in a real sense thought. We utilize sort of relative strength index RSI, moving in every practical sense, normal combination and dissimilarity, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span, moving midpoints, including genuinely straightforward moving truly normal, SMA, and dramatic moving essentially normal, EMA, to explicitly dissect the future development of the Jasmy coin, so at present. Jasmy certainly is up by 4.08% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $341,029,565 United States dollars, which truly shows that Jasmy coin support and opposition levels, and so forth in an unobtrusive manner. The MACD line in every way that really matters is remaining beneath of the especially signal line after a hybrid genuinely further appearance how yet prior to jumping exceptionally profound into the Jasmy specialized examination. Certainly let us sort of discuss the in every practical sense current economic situations, which generally is very huge. Jasmy coin financial backers need to especially hang tight for any directional change over the truly day-to-day outline, showing how while distributing this blog, Solana exchanged at $114.03, following a value change of 18.2% inside a similar time span in an essentially enormous manner. The truly relative strength file, RSI, for Jasmy coin in every practical sense, is right now floating at 19 for 14 days truly normal line, which especially implies Jasmy explicitly is in oversold zone, and a pattern by and large inversion explicitly is conceivable, exhibiting that help for the most part is a level at which purchasers in every way that really matters become substantially more all things considered, dynamic and explicitly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, fundamentally further appearance, how the EMA 50 especially is at present at $0.007 in an unobtrusive manner. While Jasmy's Williams %R pointer truly is at 77.222 for the 14-day time span, showing an unbiased condition. A exchange, genuinely signal generally is certainly conceivable at this reach, exhibiting that while Jasmy's Williams %R marker generally is at 77.222 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an impartial condition. A exchange in every practical sense. Signal truly is somewhat conceivable at this reach, in every way that really matters, in spite of mainstream thinking. Ends as per our specialized examination information, the kind of momentary figure for the Jasmy coin cost certainly is for the most part bullish at the hour of compassing. Which certainly shows that the MACD line by and large is remaining beneath of the kind of sign line after a hybrid, especially further appearance, how yet prior to jumping commonly profound into the Jasmy specialized examination, sort of let us generally discuss the very current economic situations in an unpretentious manner. The cryptographic money Jasmy coin appears to sort of be on the